So in 2026, I started running my entire Skool community using AI. And I think if you're not using AI to run your Skool community in 2026, you're so behind. I'm talking about the content, the DMs, the actually book sales calls, the support, all of it. I barely touch any of it manually anymore. Claude does the heavy lifting for me. And I'm not exaggerating when I say this is probably the biggest unlock I've made in 2026. Because let's face it, most people running a Skool community are drowning, right? You're posting, you're answering the same questions over and over again. You're trying to reply to all the DMs and keep up with them. And you know how hard that is. And it feels like a full-time job that pays you barely anything. So in this video, I'm not just going to talk about it. I'm going to share my screen and show you exactly how I set up my Claude co-work and run all of it right in front of you. And all you have to do is copy what I do today. And this way you can work faster, you get more clients, you get ahead of your competition, you grow on Skool, and you claim back your time. If you don't know who I am, I'm Adnan, I won the Skool Games, and I'm now building Komozi, the all-in-one Skool growth platform. Right, let's get into it. So as you can see, I'm on the Claude desktop app, and it has 3 options. You've got the chat, so you can just chat with Claude. You've got co-work, which is absolutely amazing because you can read your local files and it can act on them and it can do a bunch of other stuff. And then you've got Claude Code for more advanced applications, for coding and knowledge work, but it's a bit more advanced if you're not familiar with Claude. So to download the desktop app for Claude, you just go to Google and you type Claude desktop app and you go and download it, log in with your account and you're in. So if you've used ChatGPT, it's pretty much the same thing, right? This is where you've got your tasks like your chats, right? You can have your chat here, so you can type whatever you want Claude to do for you and it will act on it. You choose a folder. I chose my folder which has all of my text files. So basically the way it works is if you have text files with your knowledge and your rules and everything like that, you put it in a folder, right? And Claude can act on those files, right? You can create skills, which are basically instructions that tell Claude, hey, this is my workflow. Can you turn it into a skill for me, which you can repeat all the time? So I've got skills for everything. I've got skills for my DMs. I've got skills for posting posts on Skool, on my community, right? Anything that you do on a repeated basis, you can create skills for it. And what's amazing is that Claude has an extension, right? So it can do stuff for you on the browser. And it also attaches to Claude co-work. So you can ask it to do something from here and it will go and attach to your Skool community or any other website that you'd like to work on, and it will basically interact with that website, okay? So what I can do, I can say to Claude, hey, can you read my DMs? And can you help me respond to those DMs? And if you've got a skill for your DMs, how to respond to your DMs, then it will do it for you right from Claude. So for example, let's say I want to create a post for my community. I can literally go to Claude and say, hey, can you please create a Skool for my community? Watch this. I'm going to be using an app which I've got on my Mac and it will just type for me. This is what I'm doing in 2026. I'm no longer typing, right? Hey, can you use the Skool post skill and suggest maybe 5 post ideas for me and rank them from 1 to 5? And click send and see what happens. So look what's crazy. It even knows what communities I have, etc. So it's asking me which community do you want to post to, right? So free Komozi group value authority. All right, cool. So I'm going to make it scrape my Skool community in order to find the panes and then create posts based on those panes. I'm just going to scrape 30 posts. Okay, so once it scraped the post, it says this is exactly the intelligence I was missing. Cool. So this is what the data shows. I have a paid membership, but only a few members. Members aren't coming in, building a following on every platform and burning out. Beautiful, right? So it's going to suggest ideas based on these panes. So Claude is saying every one of these traces to a real post in your group from today's pool. I can point you to the exact members behind each. No, I don't want that. I'll just say draft 5 posts and make sure you end with an engaging question at the end to encourage comments, and I will choose the best post out of the 5. Send. So writing voice work. So I'm loading the voice system first per your rules. because I've given it rules to follow, right? There's what's called the Claude.md file. This is so important. You have to set it up in each project. So the folder that you give to Claude, you have to set up what we call a Claude.md file. If you don't know what it is, just ask Claude what that is. Basically, it's system instructions for that project. So important. And this way, it doesn't drift. It follows the instructions. Okay, so I've got 5 posts back. So I'll say, can you analyze these 5 posts and rank them from 1 to 5 and tell me why I should go for number 1? Also, can you make sure the titles are below 50 characters and make sure they are attractive and they drive the click? Let's send that. And there's my post created right there. I could copy it and paste it, edit it a little bit just to make sure, you know, all good, and then go ahead and post it. So your content nurtures your leads, it keeps the community warm and engaged. But the next one is where the money is made. So I'm literally gonna ask Claude to respond to my DMs, okay? I'm gonna ask it to pull the last 10, 20 DMs, 30 DMs or whatever, right? From my Skool community, and I'm gonna ask it to respond to those DMs using the DM skill that I've created. And like I said, you can create any skill you want. You just tell Claude, hey, look, this is how I'd like you to respond to my DMs. And then you give it the whole process, and then you teach it that process. And then you say, hey, can you package this as a skill so that you can repeat the same process again and again? Can you pull the last 10 DMs from my inbox? And I'd like you to use the DM skill in order to respond to those DMs. And look, it's actually pulled the last 10 people in my DM inbox, which is crazy. And now it's saying, how should I handle the 10 DMs? All 10, full read each, only the real leads, right? And read first. Let me just say J Roberts. Let's see what it does. And look, it literally read the DM that I sent Jay and the message that Jay responded with, and it's drafted a response. That is crazy. I can literally say, hey, can you send this to Jay? And just from here. Or I can copy and paste it and, you know, edit it a little bit myself and do that. And basically the way I created this skill is that it's basically designed to engage them and see if there's something that I can help them with, and potentially book in a strategy call to see if they are a good fit for my cohort. And by the way, if you want the full process, I'm going to create a full sheet for you with all the instructions, and I'm going to leave it in the link where you can join my Skool community, and you'll find it inside my free Skool community. Go in there, download it, and start using it right away. And what I've just showed you, you can literally do it with anything. You can do it with creating posts, you can do it with, you know, responding to comments, whatever you need. As you can see, it's crazy. What used to take hours is now taking minutes to create with the help of AI. And the only difference is you literally need to upskill yourself in AI, and you can apply it to anything. So that's why I decided in 2026, I'm literally going to go all in on AI in order to, you know, grow my Skool community, help you guys out with more proven strategies and systems. And we are basically applying all the best AI workflows inside of Kamozi. So when it comes out, you guys will be mind blown, because it will take care of everything. Can't wait for that, so stay tuned. But working with AI doesn't guarantee that you're gonna make money. So if you wanna know how I made $40,000 in 7 days on Skool, watch this video next.